I love not having a shop. Metal in that, look at that. You can see it like move, look at that. It's the mechanic special, the Makita. It's old, it works. Oh, damn it, Dylan. Boy, I suck. Remember. Frickin'. Oh, there we go. I got it. Is it normal to get high off this shit? I'm not a mechanic, so I do it my way. Oops. I got caught in my sweater. Be careful of that. So anyways, I'm gonna torque it to spec, I guess. Okay, it's torqued to spec. You just have to believe me. So I don't know if anybody in America gets this stuff that's like in a bag, right? Okay, so that's number one. Simple. And as the great Erico of South Main Auto says, if I can do it, you can do it.